Hey guys, how you going? I just wanted to make this video because I bought the G7X just not long ago, and I've noticed this really annoying autofocus sound every time I try and move the camera back and forth, or even when I'm just walking down the hallway. I'll try to keep my arm exactly the same distance so I can just walk and try not to get that autofocus sound. But I'm going to show you what I mean. I'll just be silent for a second and I'll just move the camera back and forth and you should be able to hear it. Now, for a camera that says it's got continuous autofocus, I don't think it's acceptable that when you go to put the videos back in to, the editor, it's just unusable. It's so frustrating. Every time I put music over the top of it, all you can hear is this click, 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 click sound. I think I'm gonna either take this back or sell it. It's just disappointed. Apparently the RX 100s are a lot better and they don't make that sound, so if someone could comment down below, maybe tell me if their cameras do that, or maybe if this is just a thing that my G7X does and the others don't. But yeah, get at me and just comment down below. Cheers.